Okay. So again, my name is Rex. Thank you very much for being here. And it is a pleasure to have you in this learning session, a quick learning session. And I hope it will be worth your time. And this is one of the common questions I get. What is a Six Sigma paper belt? What do you mean by paper belt, Rex? Is it just a mere paper? Does it hold value? And what do executives value from Six Sigma certification? Okay. So I have on the screen 6 steps, very important steps, especially the first 3 steps. Number one is to attend training. For you to earn your Six Sigma certification, of course, first is to attend a training program. You need to learn what the make is, what the process improvement methodology of Six Sigma is, what the different tools are, what are other very important skills you need to learn also, you need to practice in class, like change management and facilitation skills. So first is step number one, attend the training. There are face-to-face classes. You could also attend a live Zoom session. And there are also recorded learning programs. For me personally, face-to-face is still the best channel because you get to see the facilitator, you get to ask right away, you get to see nonverbal cues of the facilitator and your fellow participant. And of course, in between sessions, there are networking that's happening, there are collaborations that's happening. But during Zoom sessions, it's very convenient for everyone. Like in this time, it's raining, it's very difficult to commute. And for those people who are outside Metro Manila, it would be difficult to fly in to attend learning sessions. This is, for me, the second best option. And for, of course, people who are also outside the Philippines who would like to attend the training, this is also a very good option. Okay. And then third channel, there are also learning programs that are recorded. Again, step number one is to attend the training. Step number two, participate, practice the tools, practice facilitating process improvement tools with your fellow participants. Okay. Step number three, after the training, after you have attended the training and passed the exams, you need to start, manage, successfully complete a real process improvement project. On an average, a DMake project in Six Sigma would last about 3 months, 3 to 5 months usually. Only after you have completed 1, 2, and 3, you will earn your Six Sigma certification. Now, if you skip either of the three, especially number 3, then we can say that your Six Sigma certification is just a paper belt. And the reason is executives highly value certified Six Sigma professionals because you have already produced results. After doing the first 3, you get to earn your Six Sigma certification, and after that, you also improve your trust. And because of the trust, you open career opportunities. When you say career opportunities, could be different definition for everyone. It could be an opportunity for promotions at work. You get to have the first dibs of better opportunities at work. You can get hired by another company. And you could also be the first person your boss thinks of when bigger opportunities come up. Okay? And another opportunity I haven't added here is you could start your own consulting career or your own business. And because you know Six Sigma, it is an advantage to you as a business owner to improve, design, manage, and improve your business processes.